Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the RBC mobile app using an app phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. On the login screen, simply log in using a username and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on More or Menu option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. Now look for an option called Biometric Sign-in, Face ID or Touch ID. Turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your phone will now ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or your phone's passcode. These steps helps keep your account protected. Once that's done, biometric login is enabled. From now on, when you open the RBC mobile app, you can simply look at your phone and use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your password every time. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login on the RCB mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.